The attack we had on the school bus in Todd last night ought not to have happened in the first place, because that school was in violation of government policy of moving children beyond 6 o'clock at night. The attack took place at 10:30. I've spoken to the Inspector General of Police this morning. You good people in education and the particular TSC will do your job after we have done ours. And I agree with the Inspector General. We will arrest that principal and he will be prosecuted for violating public policy. Because you see, these things are not in place just for the heck of it. They are there because we want to keep our children safe. Whether our kids are in Nairobi or in Nakuru or in Kisii or wherever they are, no school buses are supposed to be on the road beyond 6:30 every period. And in an area where we have an operation, it's much more important that we are more careful about the responsibilities that we have and about the safety of our kids.